Hey everyone, and welcome back to the deep dive.
Great to be here.
Today we're really cutting through the noise to get to the heart of what SAP Business AI is all about, and we're using a pretty unique set of sources.
Yeah, it's interesting. We've got this stack of practice questions and, well, the explanations that go with them.
Exactly, for the SAP BCBAI 2502 exam specifically. Now, don't let that exam prep label fool you. Our mission here isn't just, memorizing answers.
Not all.
It's really to use this structured material to pull out the most important nuggets of knowledge about SAP Business AI. We want to show how these intelligent tools are fundamentally reshaping processes right across the enterprise. Think of this as your shortcut to understanding, well, the absolute cutting edge of business tech. We're going to explore what SAP Business AI really is and why it's becoming so crucial for modern organizations to, stay competitive and innovate.
Yeah. And what's really fascinating, I think, about using these exam sources is they give us this surprisingly clear, very practical roadmap. You get the core components and the real-world applications of SAP's AI.
Right.
We're looking beyond just the correct answer on a test. We want to understand the actual impact for businesses like yours. These materials, they really highlight the key concepts SAP tests, covering, well, everything from automating finance tasks right through to transforming customer engagement.
And even the bottom line benefits.
And even the strategic financial benefits companies can realistically expect. Yeah. It's a pretty comprehensive look at how AI is being deeply embedded into every layer of the enterprise. It's not just something tacked on.
Okay, so with that context set, what do these sources actually tell us about the core building blocks? Let's dive in.
Let's do it.
The material clearly outlines some foundational elements. It gives us a sense of what's, under the hood. When we talk about the core portfolio, three key components seem to pop up quickly. First, there's SAP Predictive Analytics.
Right, the forecasting piece.
Exactly, as the name implies. It's for sophisticated forecasting, deep data analysis, really trying to anticipate future trends and outcomes.
Then you've got SAP AI Business Services.
Yes, which are, well, essentially a suite of intelligent automation services. They're built to handle various business processes, and they seem particularly good at things like intelligent document processing.
Critical stuff.
Definitely. And finally, the sources mention SAP SuccessFactors AI.
Which is the HR-specific AI.
Precisely. Tailored to bring AI-driven features directly into human resources functions. So these core building blocks, they then power a pretty broad suite of functionalities across the whole enterprise.
Right. It's not just point solutions.
Exactly. The sources make it clear. SAP Business AI delivers sort of three main AI-driven capabilities to streamline processes everywhere. You've got conversational AI.
Chatbots and assistants.
Yeah, for customer service interactions, think smart chatbots, virtual assistants making engagement smoother, faster, available 24/7.
Then there's machine learning.
Which really serves as the engine, doesn't it? For that broad business process automation. It learns from huge data sets to do tasks better and better.
More efficiency, more accuracy over time.
And, as you mentioned earlier with predictive analytics, it's not just for forecasts.
No, it's key for decisions.
Right, instrumental for making data-driven decisions. It lets businesses move from just reacting to what happened
to actually anticipating and shaping what will happen. Proactive, not reactive. And if we, connect this to the bigger picture, these aren't just isolated tools you pick off a shelf. They really do form an interconnected ecosystem.
That makes sense.
This whole system is engineered to seamlessly infuse intelligence into, well, every corner of an enterprise, from optimizing your financial ledger to personalizing every single customer interaction.
So the goal is efficiency.
Well, the overarching goal is kind of twofold. Yes, achieving significantly increased efficiency across all operations, but also fostering this profound shift towards truly data-driven decision-making. Instead of just reacting, like you said, businesses can leverage these tools to anticipate needs, automate the routine stuff, and critically free up human talent for more strategic, creative, complex problem solving.
Right, higher value work.
Exactly. It's about creating a smarter, more responsive, and ultimately maybe a more human-centered organization.
That's a great way to put it. So that's the big picture of SAP's AI offerings. Now, how do these powerful capabilities actually translate into specific, tangible benefits, on the ground, across different departments?
This is where it gets practical.
Yeah, this is where we move from the concept to the concrete applications that can directly impact your business. Let's kick off with financial process automation, specifically within SAP S/4HANA.
A common pain point?
Yo, definitely.
Yeah.
Many finance departments are just drowning in invoices, purchase orders, goods receipts,
Yeah.
all needing careful matching. It's manual, often error-prone, eats up so much time. The solution highlighted in our sources is intelligent invoice processing within S/4HANA. It uses AI and machine learning to automatically match invoices with POs and goods receipts.
Takes the donkey work out.
Completely. So for you, this isn't just about speeding up invoice processing. It's a fundamental shift. It liberates your finance team from that mundane reconciliation work.
Allowing them to pivot.
Right. Pivot from reactive data entry to proactive financial strategy and analysis. That's a huge value unlock, way beyond just efficiency. It can actually help transform finance from a cost center to a real strategic partner.
That's a big deal.
It really is.
Oh.
Okay, next up, supply chain and logistics optimization.
Also crucial, delays are killers.
We've all felt that frustration, haven't we? A
Yeah.
delayed package. So for logistics firms, reducing delivery delays, optimizing fleet routes, it's a constant pressing challenge.
Always.
The answer here, according to our sources, is SAP Predictive Analytics.
Using that forecasting power again.
Exactly. This tool helps analyze patterns in delivery times, traffic conditions, even demand fluctuations. By understanding these complex patterns, it enables optimized routing, better resource allocation,
Which leads directly to
reduced delays, and more efficient use of resources. Getting goods where they need to be, faster, more reliably. It's about turning all that historical data into actual forward-looking operational intelligence.
makes sense. Smart logistics.
And now let's tackle something many businesses face: intelligently extracting and classifying data.
Oh, the document deluge.
Right. Think about the sheer volume. Invoices, contracts, receipts crossing your desk daily. Manually extracting and classifying data from these, it's incredibly time-consuming.
And errors creep in.
And errors
Yeah.
definitely creep in. The SAP solution our sources highlight here is SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation, or RPA.
RPA with an AI boost.
Precisely. It leverages AI to automate those repetitive rules-based tasks, like reading and classifying data from various documents. The clear advantage for you: a significant reduction in manual data entry,
Which means
vastly improved accuracy, and freeing up your team to focus on higher value stuff that actually needs human judgment.
yeah, what really stands out here is how AI moves beyond just, recording on what already happened.
It's active.
It's actively intervening, it's predicting, it's automating tasks that traditionally just ate up huge amounts of human time and were, let's be honest, prone to error. We're talking about a fundamental shift from reactive analysis to proactive optimization. It gives businesses a kind of foresight they've never really had before.
Which raises a big question.
It does raise an important question for any business leader. What does this actually mean for the workforce? It implies sort of a redefinition of roles. People are empowered by offloading the mundane, repetitive tasks,
So they can focus elsewhere.
allowing them to focus on innovation, critical thinking, more complex problem solving. But, while the sources emphasize these benefits, it does also hint at the need for new skill sets, maybe a cultural shift, to really embrace this new way of working.
Absolutely. And beyond just those critical back-office efficiencies, SAP's AI also dramatically reshapes how companies interact with their customers
And their own people.
and manage their most valuable asset,
Right.
their people. Exactly. It's about elevating the experience right across the organization.
Makes sense. It's holistic.
Consider personalized customer engagement and service. For retail companies especially, the holy grail is personalized product recommendations and automated, always-on customer service.
Everyone wants that.
Right. Our sources point to two key solutions here: SAP AI for customer experience, which is part of the broader SAP Customer Experience Suite,
Okay.
and SAP Conversational AI.
So personalization and chatbots?
Basically, yes.
Yeah.
SAP AI for customer experience personalizes marketing, sales, service by deeply analyzing customer data, tailoring interactions to individual needs, preferences. At the same time, SAP Conversational AI enables those sophisticated chatbots and virtual assistants to handle inquiries 24/7, giving instant support.
So the combined benefit for the businesses.
Delivering both deep personalization and highly efficient automation for your customer engagement, which, consistently leads to happier, more loyal customers who feel understood.
That makes a difference.
Definitely. Building on that, let's look at targeted marketing campaigns and lead qualification.
Sales and marketing focus.
Yep. Every business wants marketing campaigns that truly resonate, and they want to equip sales teams to close more deals by focusing on the right leads.
Quality over quantity sometimes.
Absolutely. Here, solutions like SAP AI for marketing, again, part of SAP customer experience, combined with SAP predictive analytics, really shine.
So?
Well, SAP AI for marketing gives you incredible power for deep personalization, precise audience segmentation, continuous campaign optimization,
Yeah.
making sure your message hits the most receptive audience.
Okay.
Meanwhile, SAP Predictive Analytics identifies those high-value leads and forecasts customer behavior, giving your sales team a big strategic advantage by prioritizing their efforts.
So the benefit for you is?
A dual boost, enhanced marketing effectiveness, and significantly improved sales outcomes. You're consistently targeting the right customers with the most relevant message.
More bang for your buck, basically.
Essentially, yes. And crucially, AI is transforming hiring efficiency and employee retention within HR.
Huge area. Talent is key.
Totally. Companies are constantly looking for better ways to attract top talent and, just as importantly, keep their best employees happy and engaged.
It's expensive to replace people.
Exactly. Our sources reveal a powerful suite for this, including SAP SuccessFactors AI, SAP AI Business Services, and SAP Conversational AI, specifically for HR support.
So multiple tools working together.
Right. SuccessFactors AI enhances recruiting, talent management, even employee development, making hiring smarter, maybe more equitable. AI Business Services supports HR with intelligent document processing, automation, think streamlining onboarding paperwork or managing benefits.
Takes away admin hassle.
For sure. And conversational AI provides those intelligent chatbots for instant employee support, answering common questions, reducing the load on HR staff.
So for you, the business leader or HR professional?
It means streamlined HR operations,
Yeah.
a much better candidate experience, and more efficient, responsive support for your existing employees. All of that contributes to a stronger, more engaged, more productive workforce.
Yeah, this really highlights a crucial shift, I think. AI isn't solely about cutting costs or, optimizing one single function. It's genuinely about elevating the human experience, both within the organization and outside it.
Mm-hmm.
It's about empowering employees with better tools to manage their careers, their daily tasks, reducing friction in their work lives,
Yep.
allowing them to do more meaningful things.
And for customers.
And externally, it's about delighting customers with more relevant, timely, truly personalized interactions that build real, lasting loyalty. This kind of holistic approach, it ensures AI isn't just a tech upgrade.
It's strategic.
It's a strategic investment in your human capital and your customer relationships. That leads to a more resilient, more attractive organization overall.
Well said. Now let's talk about something every business leader has, top of mind. Managing risk.
Always critical.
And of course, the ever-important bottom line. SAP Business AI delivers here in some pretty significant ways.
Okay.
First up, let's discuss fraud detection and risk assessment. In today's, let's face it, increasingly complex business environment, accurately identifying fraud and assessing risk are absolutely paramount.
Can't afford mistakes there.
No way. Our sources highlight two SAP Business AI solutions often used together for this: SAP AI Business Services and SAP Predictive Analytics.
Okay, the automation and the prediction again.
Exactly. AI Business Services provides that intelligent document processing, powerful anomaly detection, diligently looking for unusual patterns, irregularities, and vast amounts of data that human eyes might just miss.
Finding needles in haystacks.
Pretty much. Simultaneously, Predictive Analytics excels at identifying sophisticated fraud patterns and predicting potential risks before they can even materialize.
Getting ahead of the problem.
All right. Combined, these create a really robust defense. They strengthen financial security compliance by proactively spotting issues that might otherwise go unnoticed and cause significant damage.
Makes sense. A safety net.
And this brings us to the ultimate financial impact of comprehensive AI adoption. This is where the numbers get truly compelling.
Okay, let's hear it.
Our sources indicate that if a company implements SAP's Business AI offerings comprehensively across the board, they could reasonably expect a very tangible bottom-line benefit, up to a 3.5% increase in revenue.
Wow, okay. Not cost savings, but revenue increase.
Exactly, revenue increase. And this isn't just some hopeful projection. It's framed as the cumulative effect of AI's ability to find those hidden patterns, automate complex decisions at scale, deliver hyper-personalized experiences that really resonate with customers.
So it's about optimizing the whole value chain.
Precisely. Not just cutting costs, but enabling entirely new ways of creating and capturing value. It means a more agile, more responsive business that can seize opportunities faster, serve customers better.
And that translates directly to top-line growth.
Directly into top-line growth.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? The data strongly suggests AI is not just, a cost center or a tool for tiny incremental improvements.
It's bigger than that.
Much bigger. When adopted strategically, comprehensively, it can be a significant revenue driver. This isn't just about shaving off a few percentage points from operational costs. It's about fundamentally rethinking how value is created and captured in your business.
Right.
And while that 3.5% figure is impressive, it does raise an important question. Beyond the numbers, what are the qualitative shifts? In culture, in the pace of innovation, in market positioning, what shifts are essential to actually realize that kind of revenue growth?
It's more than just tech.
It implies a much deeper organizational transformation than just flicking a switch on the technology.
As these technologies mature even
Oh,
further,
an interesting point.
what new problems could AI solve that we haven't even conceived of yet? And what does that imply for how we approach innovation and strategy in the coming years?
Food for thought, definitely.